Hi guys, welcome to the video. We're back in Disneyland here in Anaheim, California. We came here a little bit earlier today. Actually, we took advantage of the extra magic in DCA this morning and we rode Toy Story over there. But anyway, we've had a busy day so far. Me and Beth have rode Toy Story Mania over DCA. Then we hopped over here to Disneyland and we've done, oh, here's Beth.
Hey guys, got sunscreen in my eyes.
She's got sunscreen in her eyes and we're also a little bit moist because of we just went on Splash Mountain. So anyway, we got drenched. Let's get into it. Roll that intro. Like I said earlier, we've been having a fun, busy day here. We rode all those rides. Actually, we rode, let's see, let me count. We rode Midway Mania, we rode Splash Mountain, we rode Indiana Jones, we rode Pirates of the Caribbean, we rode to the Jungle Cruise, we rode Winnie the Pooh and Splash Mountain, like 7-ish rides, sound right, Beth? 7-ish rides, and it's 10:30 in the morning, guys. See, it helps to get up a little bit earlier in your vacation and get a lot of things done. But anyway, why don't we go ahead and, we tried some ride footage on Splash Mountain, and by the way, we got so wet. Anyway, let's put that ride footage in right here so you guys can check out Splash Mountain here in Disneyland. Right, that was a fun ride, wasn't it? We also took some ride footage on Winnie the Pooh. So let's do back-to-back rides here. We'll try and keep this one short for you, but we'll throw that in right here.
Look, Mama, look! I'm a fun. Hang on tightly,
We'll save you, Piglet! And now this.
This is fun!
What a wonderful dream! If you don't like my present, I'll take it back.
Wasn't that fun?
Wasn't that a super cute ride, guys? That was fun. I like Winnie the Pooh here. It's a little bouncier. Like, I don't know how we recorded it with the Osmo action, so hopefully that smoothed it out a little bit, but it's a little bit bouncy. But anyway, it's almost 11 o'clock here, so we're gonna do a few things, and then we're gonna try and eat at Hungry Bear's, our next feat for the day. But stick around, guys. We got a lot of fun things planned for Disneyland today. Saw the Mark Twain go by a minute ago, but here at Disneyland, I don't know if you can tell, but right over here is a canoe. You can actually go canoeing through the rivers of America here. Looks really neat. Actually, you can see back there. All that's like Galaxy's Edge. That's, you can see all the big rock work and stuff like that. So we'll be heading back there, doing a video from there one day. And right across the way is Tom Sawyer Island. I'm not sure if we're gonna make it there or not, but we'll try. We'll see how it goes. But we got an action-packed day playing today, so we'll see how it goes. On another note, these restaurants back here by Hungry Bear, I can't remember who it was Probst or Fresh Bake that said that like the most secret bathrooms in Disneyland. Well, I think the cat's out of the bag here back here on this one under Hungry Bear. It's busy this morning. Okay, we got a feast here going on at Hungry Bear, but this is a special Haunted Mansion 50th. It's like the funnel cake with the ice cream and the stuff on top. This is the loaded fries. This is the Haunted Mansion pork belly sandwich. It looks pretty yummy. Beth got a
double cheeseburger and loaded onion rings and another funnel cake.
We did grab Eric a sandwich because actually he got off work a little bit early, so he'll be here. You'll probably see him. That's why you saw like a chicken sandwich and another loaded fries were there. But he'll be here in 15 or 20 minutes, so we thought, hey, let's go ahead and get it. And he doesn't have to wait in the line. I think I failed and missed it, but the Columbia just drove by, or floated by, boated by, whatever. That's one of the cool things to eat here at the Hungry Bear, eating up here, because you can see the boats and the canoes riding by as you eat your lunch. Speaking of lunch, here's what happened with my dinner. Okay, so the pork belly sandwich was good, but this bun is like a big old thick like French roll or something, and it was like too much with the pork belly, so I just didn't eat it, most of the bun. But the pork belly itself was delicious, and the slaw and the pickles were really good, so I'd recommend that. If you like bread, you'll like that. The roll pretty good, but I wasn't a huge fan. But anyway, the loaded French fries with like the aioli stuff and the cheese and the bacon was delicious. And then this thing is definitely made for 2 or 3 because it is huge. I made it, as you can see, about halfway through, and I'm just throwing it in the towel. It's just too much, too sweet, but it was very, very good. I would highly recommend that one as well.
So I had the double cheeseburger and the loaded fries. The loaded fries are really good. One thing I didn't care about it was that the cheese seems to all settle to the bottom. So you find it once you've ate most of your fries. The cheeseburger was good. I didn't care for all the onions on it. I could have done without those. And I had a blueberry lemonade, which was amazing. So much real blueberry in it. And I'm currently finishing off a large tea. And even the 2 of us could not finish off this funnel cake.
What did you think of the funnel cake? Was it good?
Oh, it was really good. Just way too much for the 2 of us.
Way too much. There's Eric.
Hey guys, first of all, can I just say that I'm a little bit disappointed I missed out on some ride action this morning. Mm-hmm. But anyway,
you'll have to watch the video.
I'll watch the video. But anyway,
it's okay. He's done it all before.
True, that's true. So I had the spicy chicken sandwich, which was really good. Highly recommend that. And then the loaded onion rings. And the same thing with the, like Beth said, the cheese all settles to the bottom. It's not like a thick cheese, it's more of a thin cheese, but it was still good. The onion rings allowed you to scoop. Also, the funnel cake was really good. But again, yeah, we probably could have all 3 got one and been fine.
So there you go, guys. Our review of Hungry Bear here. I would definitely recommend this restaurant. It's really good. They have mobile order too, so don't have to wait in the line if it's huge. Just mobile order from your phone. Very convenient. But anyway, guys, hang out. We're gonna keep on going. So anyway, we come right past the Haunted Mansion gift shop back here. You'll find the Blue Bayou right here, and it's super busy back here. So let's talk about the Blue Bayou for a second, because we just got out of there, and I mean, I'm not going to say it was a great experience, because it was not. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. I mean, I think it's more for the ambiance, but my steak, I ordered the ribeye, and we didn't record it there, because if you've ever been in there, it's so dark, you can't see anything. I tried, but it was just looking awful. So my ribeye was, I ordered medium rare. It came out like leather, shoe leather, hard. It was cooked out hard. So I sent it back for something different, and it came out. It was still not how I liked it, but at least it was like medium, well, medium-ish. So I just went with it. And then she tried to like give us this discount, but I might take you out for drinks, and I wasn't really following your logic and whatnot, but whatever. Maybe it was working out. Maybe it worked out. I don't know, but it just felt like kind of a letdown when you're like, oh yeah, I want to eat at the Blue Bayou. It's so cool. But, oh, and the other thing is we were going to get jambalaya, but they didn't have rice, and their soup was red beans and rice, and they didn't have rice. So, I mean, how are you going to have a soup that's red beans and rice and don't have rice? I mean, come on, you can swap it out with something. Come on, Disney. But anyway, not a great first impression. So, I mean, I wouldn't let it sway you totally, because maybe there's some people out there that really love it, but I don't know. Let me get Beth's opinion here. Hop over here, Beth.
Hey, so the restaurant, the actual environment is great. It's beautiful. We had an amazing view of Pirates of the Caribbean. It was nice, scenery, and pretty, but that's where it was ended. Our drink, we got the special lemonade with the glow cube. It was pretty good. We got the surf and turf. Wasn't impressed. I'm not too terribly easy to, I'm not hard to impress, but
it was like the tiniest lobster tails too, wasn't it? Like the tiniest lobster tails and the tiniest fillet I've ever seen.
I would not ever go back there again.
Not for dinner. I mean, maybe try it for lunch, you think, because they have a different
and
menu and
I
stuff.
was really looking forward to the Monte Cristo, which, about an hour before we got there, I realized that was on the lunch menu. We got the lunch menu, they stopped serving at 4 o'clock. We got there at 4:20, and they told me they would not serve me something off the lunch menu.
And the crazy thing is at the quick service right next door, the New Orleans Cafe or whatever, they serve it, or Cafe Orleans, they serve the Monte Cristo all day long. And it's got to share the same kitchen as that, and they wouldn't sell it to us. But, I mean, maybe rules, whatever. But, it's just, it seems like things,
And with the house salad, you have a choice of 2 dressings, either ranch or a vinaigrette.
Don't get the ranch because they have cranberries in the salad, and it was kind of not good.
How can you have a New Orleans restaurant and be out of rice? So what's the point of jambalaya without rice?
It's
what's
kind of weird.
Red beans and rice soup without the rice?
It was kind of weird, yeah.
So, and it was the beginning of lunch. It was the beginning of dinner service. How can you be out of rice?
I hear you.
Thoroughly not impressed, and I would not recommend anybody go there for the food.
Right. I think it's more for the atmosphere.
The restaurant is beautiful. If you want to just go, and if you can go and get drinks, that would be fine. I wouldn't recommend anything other than the drinks.
Right. Yeah. I'm with you on that one. And just to keep in mind, my steak, and I ended up with a surf and turf, but they gave me a little discount. And it was like still $46, so it's like $50 usually per person for the surf and turf. So it's not cheap at all. And also, if you're going to come on a busy day, like if it's busy in the park, make sure you make reservations for any restaurant you go to. But anyway, guys, thanks a lot for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Peace and love.